Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best Micro ATX PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Micro ATX PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. JONSBO D41 Mesh SE Black. The JONSBO D41 Mesh SE Black is one of the most impressive mid-tower ATX cases I've used in a long time. It combines premium build quality, clever layout, and standout aesthetics, especially the included front display screen, which gives the system a unique, modern character. The case feels exceptionally sturdy, with a high airflow mesh front panel that not only looks clean but also dramatically improves cooling. The tool-free design elements are a welcome touch. Side panels and drive mounts are easy to remove and reinstall without any hassle. Space is one of the D41's biggest strengths. It supports full-size RTX 4090 GPUs up to 335 to 400 mm, with room to spare, which is something many mid-tower cases struggle with. Cooling options are equally generous, supporting 360 mm or 280 mm AIOs, and the airflow is excellent thanks to the open interior layout. Cable management is straightforward thanks to the wide cable channels and Velcro straps. The PSU chamber fits both ATX and SFX power supplies, 100 to 220 mm, giving builders plenty of flexibility. Everything feels well thought out, from the drive cages to the fan mounts. The integrated display is the star of the show. It's bright, customizable, and perfect for system monitoring, animations, or adding personal flair. It turns the case into more than just a chassis, it becomes part of your desk setup's personality. Number 2. Corsair Air 5400. Corsair's Air 5400 tower case is packed with creature comforts and offers exceptional cooling performance, thanks to a unique front vertical chamber that isolates CPU cooling. Meet a truly special case. Available in black or white, with either RGB fans, the Air 5400 RSR, the $229.99 version we tested, or an integrated Corsair ICUE link system, Air 5400 LXR, $309.99. Corsair's Air 5400 is a PC chassis stuffed with cooling innovations that actually deliver the goods. These include unusual features such as clear plastic ducts to direct air over your motherboard, and a giant vertical gap in its right side panel. That gap is the outlet side of a third chamber that's isolated from the case's internal components, venting out heat from your CPU's liquid cooler radiators straight to the open air. This arrangement worked exceptionally well in our tests, and earns the Air 5400 an emphatic Editor's Choice Award for its superior CPU cooling performance. You'll have to spend a bit to get all the needed fans and radiators in place, but it'll be hard to cool your chips better using an off-the-shelf PC case. Number 3. Corsair 4000 DRS. The Corsair 4000 DRS frame modular high airflow mid-tower case is an impressive evolution of Corsair's already popular 4000 series chassis, and it shows that the company is still at the top of its game for mid-range cases. This model combines exceptional airflow, premium build quality, and modern cable management features that make building both easier and cleaner than ever. Airflow performance is outstanding thanks to the redesigned RS frame and the included trio of Corsair RS fans. Even out of the box, the case pushes a strong volume of cool air across your components, making it ideal for gaming systems, workstations, or overclocked builds. The new InfiniRail fan mounting system is a highlight. Being able to slide and position fans or radiators precisely where you want them adds flexibility that most cases simply don't offer. The interior layout is spacious and well optimized, with support for multiple 360 mm radiators, giving you serious room for high-end custom loops or AIO-cooled setups. It's also one of the most future-proof cases available thanks to reverse connector motherboard compatibility, allowing for ultra-clean cable routing that keeps the main chamber looking pristine. Sturdy steel panels, clean edges, and a minimalist aesthetic that looks great in almost any setup. The case strikes an excellent balance between high performance and elegant design without unnecessary gimmicks. Number 4. Lian Li Lancool 207 Digital. Lian Li's Lancool 207 Digital is impressive on multiple fronts, featuring strong airflow and a 6-inch, 1600 by 720 screen that functions as a secondary monitor. It's a great mix of features and performance at a surprisingly affordable price. The original version of the Lancool 207 impressed us around this time last year, with its airflow and included fans, at an affordable $80 to $85 in the US. Today we're taking a look at a refreshed variant, the Lancool 207 Digital, which effectively delivers all that was great about last year's model, plus a bright front-mounted screen, for about $20 more. We'll be taking a close look at the primary upgrade in this digital model, the 6-inch, 1600 by 720 screen that's rated to 500 nit of brightness. It can show performance metrics or even be configured as a secondary monitor. We'll also run the case through some difficult thermal benchmarks, using Intel's i9-14900K and an NVIDIA RTX 4000 series GPU to test its cooling effectiveness, both at noise-normalized settings and with the fans at maximum speeds. Will Lian Li Lancool 207 Digital make our list of the best PC cases? You'd better believe it. The thermal performance of this case is among the best on the market, as you'll see in the benchmarks section. Let's take a look at the specifications and features of the case, then we'll wrap up our review with thermal results. Number 5. Fractal Design North. Combining a unique wooden mesh front and lots of airflow-focused features at an affordable price, Fractal's North is a fantastic case with performance that's just as impressive as its looks. PC cases are constantly evolving alongside other components. 5.25-inch drive bays were once a necessity for optical drives, but now are more or less gone. Following that collapse, the desire for glass and RGB everywhere came and is now going away as the thermal demand of high-end components went up and people began to take the need for airflow seriously. And now, because airflow is so important, too many cases are starting to look the same, which is frustrating. Enter Fractal Design, a case manufacturer that often finds itself on our best PC cases, and its latest, and hopefully trend-setting, North case. The North is an ATX mid-tower chassis that features wood slats on the front panel, backed by mesh, and the option for a mesh or tempered glass side panel. Fractal Design's new case retails for $130 and comes in charcoal black or chalk white. While the case is easy on the eyes and the design feels fresh in a landscape dominated by black glass boxes, the North needs to perform to earn a recommendation in these days of thermally aggressive components like the RTX 4090 and 13900K. We'll put it through our testing later to see how it does, but spoiler, unless silence is your primary concern, there's a lot to love about this striking chassis.